Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your iPhone to an HY300 projector, it might seem like it should work instantly, but sometimes nothing shows up on the screen, which can be confusing. This usually happens because there are different connection methods, like wireless screen mirroring or using a cable, and not all of them work the same way. Some users try one method and think the projector isn't compatible, but the good thing is that the HY300 supports multiple ways to connect. Once you follow the correct setup, you'll be able to mirror your iPhone screen easily and enjoy videos, photos, or apps on a much bigger display. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your HY300 projector and connect it to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open the projector's screen mirroring or AirPlay option. Step 4. On your iPhone, open Control Center, then Screen Mirroring. Step 5. Select your HY300 projector from the list. Step 6. Your iPhone screen will appear on the projector.